Hey everyone, ever wondered what would happen if Earth just stopped spinning? I mean, we all know the planet is spinning at over 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. But what if, in an instant, it just hit the brakes? The results are pretty wild, and maybe a little terrifying. Let's dive into the science of what would happen if Earth suddenly stopped spinning. Buckle up, because this ride is going to get intense. First things first, if Earth stopped spinning instantly, we'd all be in serious trouble. Right now, as the planet spins, everything on its surface, including, is moving with it at the same speed. At the equator, that's over 1,000 miles per hour, or 1,600 kilometers per hour. So, if the Earth suddenly stopped, everything that isn't nailed down, oceans, buildings, cars, people, would be flung eastward at breakneck speeds. Imagine being in a car going 1,000 miles per hour and slamming the brakes. It would be chaos. In fact, most things on the surface would be swept away by a massive shockwave, causing devastation all across the planet. But the horror doesn't stop there. The atmosphere? It would moving at the Earth's original speed, creating super powerful winds. Picture hurricanes and tornadoes on a global scale. These winds would be so fast they could tear apart cities, uproot forests, and cause massive destruction. Basically, a windstorm like nothing we've ever seen before. And that's not even the worst part. The sudden stop would disrupt the oceans too. Huge tsunamis would form as the water in the oceans is flung across the planet. Coastal cities would be wiped out in seconds. The entire landscape of Earth would be changed in an instant. So, what about after the chaos settles? Well, things would be pretty grim. The Earth's rotation is what gives us day and night, and without it, one side of the planet would be stuck facing the sun, while the other side would be plunged into eternal darkness. On the day side, temperatures would skyrocket. Think about it. The sun never setting means constant heat, turning the landscape into a scorching desert. Meanwhile, the night side would become an ice-cold wasteland, with temperatures dropping to unbearable levels. Life as we know it would be nearly impossible. And there's another huge problem. Without the Earth spinning, we'd lose our magnetic field. This invisible shield protects us from harmful solar radiation. Without it, we'd be exposed to cosmic rays that could seriously mess with electronics, power grids, and even our health. Imagine a world without any electronic devices or satellites, no communication, no GPS, and a lot of radiation. Okay, now that we've explored the nightmare scenario, let's take a breath. The good news? Earth isn't going to suddenly stop spinning anytime soon. The forces keeping it in motion are enormous and stable. Over millions of years, Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down, about 1.4 milliseconds per century. But that's a process so slow that none of us will be around to notice. So, while it's a terrifying idea, it's thankfully just a fun thought experiment. You can keep living your life without worrying that Earth will suddenly hit the brakes. So there you have it. If Earth suddenly stopped spinning, it'd be a world of chaos, destruction, and extreme weather. But lucky for us, that's not going to happen anytime soon. What other what-if scenarios would you like to explore? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more mind-blowing content. Thanks for watching.